Hi family, Tanya here. Let's see what's going on in the greenhouse today. It's beautiful outside. I always check the temperature. Let's see, it is already 75 degrees in here. That's how I like it. It's about 60 degrees outside. So I need to see, what do I need to do? Now I got these starts over a week ago. And so the only mission, when I get my starts, I normally get them early before I can plant them in the ground or take them outside. I only have one job, and that's to keep them alive. So, they're a little dry, but they're okay. They're fine. Until I can plant them, I might plant them in my flower bed maybe later this week. Okay, so now here are my brassicas, here are my collard greens, and my Napa cabbage. They're looking good. Let's see. Moist in there, yeah. Moist but not wet, not soggy and wet, just moist, okay? So that's just keep them moist. They'll be fine. These are cool season crops. They're good for early spring. Okay, so here are the seeds. Look at this. These are like my baby greens. They're doing well. Look. And my last video, these were not sprouted yet, but yeah, these are doing well. Then I got another one over here. So you just use the cut and come again method on these. All I did was just scatter the seeds on some good soil, kept it moist. They germinated like within 3 days. Just let them keep growing, keep them moist. Sun. This one I started first. This one's about 2 weeks old now. So I'll wait till they're about 4 to 5, 6, maybe even 6 weeks old, and I'll start harvesting them, just snipping. Okay, here are oh yeah. They're getting their true leaves on them too. These are all from seeds. These are, what are they? Romaine seedlings. All right, over here and over here. Oh, that Dollar Tree. These are like a little blend. So yeah, that's what's going on there. And my favorite, my lettuces. Here are my little baby romaine. Check the soil. Make sure it's moist. Look how these are really forming. These are very sturdy too. Look at that one. And then here's the butter crunch. And here's like the red lettuce here. Okay, so that's doing well. Hubby put some onions. He's growing onions, and then there's some garlic. That's sprouting. And these, like, we always buy scallions, and so we just put them in a pot, and then they'll start regrowing. Kitchen scrap garden. Let's see, what is this? Okay, that's garlic. He did some more garlic there, and garlic there. And there's been no pest in here, because they can't stand that garlic. Oh, and I want to share with you, this is one of those towers, vertical planters. I got it from Lowe's late in the gardening season last year. I think maybe September, October. They had a sale, and I went and got them. So and it's been in my garage all winter long, all year long. So I just set that up yesterday. And so I'm just putting these plants in there just to and I got a rock down there just to keep it stable for now. I was just trying to see, do I like it? This one has wheels on it. I love that. And I think it's going to work out well. I'm going to put my lettuces in there. I'm going to put some of my lettuces in my grow bags outside. And so this is a 5-tier. And you put 20 plants in there. And you don't have to have a pole in the inside, but I had some Dollar Tree rakes that aren't really worth a damn. So I just used the pole, stuck it in there, so that helps. So you can get one of those Dollar Tree poles, or if you have extra broom handles laying around, stick it in there, and that just adds to it. Okay, so I got another one over here. And I think I may have spent $19.99 on these. On clearance, they had 2 left on clearance, and I got them. And so, yeah, so I like how they turned out. So I'm going to put, lettuce. I'm going to put maybe like 6 lettuces, and I'm going to see how it works. Out. Because it's going to get too hot for lettuces in a little bit. So I'm going to take some in the house. I'm going to grow some inside too. All right, everything's looking well. I think these could use some water. Turn them around. You see how they're reaching for the sun. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give them a little water. And I just woke up probably an hour ago. Before I even eat or do anything, I always come out and check my babies out. I like them to get comfortable in their environment. So another thing I do is I go on and mix up my plant food. This is going to be the first week they ever got any plant food. I'm going to put them in my box here, in my I think I can sprinkle them better this way. Because I was telling the lady in Home Depot when I got these lettuces, she says, well, how do you keep them, still early? And I'm like, just because you buy them now doesn't mean you don't have to just automatically quickly put them in the ground. I said I have a greenhouse that gets warm, but not too warm right now. And just keep them alive